To configure a heavy-duty cabinet, the catalog must first be opened. Now appear configurable product categories. Heavy-duty cabinets are located in the Cabinet Systems group, where cabinets are categorized based on function and use. Select Heavy-duty cabinets. In this case, the variant with swing doors will be selected. The configuration can now be started using either an empty housing or one of the configuration samples. The selected housing appears in the 3D space and is ready for configuration. By clicking on the model, options such as Configure, Duplicate, and Delete appear. Clicking on Configure opens an individual selection menu on the right side of the screen. Under Description, the currently loaded model as well as other cabinet models can be seen. The dimensions of the cabinet are not changeable in this case, therefore the tabs are grayed out. A preferred color for the housing in front can be selected from our standard color range. Adjustable shelves can be selected and added in quantity, their position is preset. When configuring drawers, there are basically two options, individual and configured. In the configured mode, the type and position of drawers and pull-out shelves are preset. Optionally, the heavy-duty cabinet can be elevated with a base frame and fitted with a base cover. Now, a swing door with the clasp lock system will be added. In the standard range, there are 3 locking systems: key lock, code lock, and contactless RFID locking. In this case, the key lock system is desired. The lock version is selected in the separately lockable variant. Now, the drawer mode will be changed to individual. By changing the housing, the system clears the tabs and thus the drawers. Type and position of the drawers can be configured vertically now, from bottom to the top. The system detects the maximum possible installation option for the drawers and it automatically hides tabs that cannot be selected. If a defined free space below the drawers is desired, the Clearance Floor Drawers tab offers therefore an option. To increase the defined distance below, the bottom drawers will be deleted. The vacated space will be selected via the Clearance Floor Drawers tab, and all drawers move to the selected distance. Finally, the door variant can be changed by using the Door Version tab. To switch the cabinet housing from swing doors to hinge doors and roller shutter, the appropriate housing must be selected via the Description tab. The housing for hinge doors and roller shutter is loaded and the system clears incompatible settings, in this case, the doors. All compatible settings remain. The housing must be equipped with doors again, therefore activate the Door tab and select the hinge door variant. The standard range offers here 3 locking systems as well: key lock, code lock, and contactless RFID locking. The configuration system from the housing with hinge doors and roller shutters behaves the same way as in the housing with swing doors. For illustration, the quantity and arrangement of drawers will be changed once again. Now, the clearance is set to 0 mm, and a maximum drawer equipment will be demonstrated. Finally, the roller shutter design will be explained. To see the roller shutter tab as option, the door tab must first be cleared again. Once the door tab is cleared, the system offers the roller shutter as option to select. With the roller shutter opening tab, the roller shutter can be opened and closed. The configuration is now complete.